Hi there, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. I hope life is treating you well. Thank you for watching this clip on quadratics. We're asked to solve an inequality k-1 times a k+9 less than equal to 0. Now you can make a table with k-1, k+9, and then evaluate depend on which one of the range or actually domains you're looking at. So here's -9, here's a +1. Or alternatively, you can be smart and use quadratics to help you. Now, quadratics are curves. Let's draw a general curve here. There's 3 distinct points that's very important or very interesting to find. First, those two is where it crosses the horizontal axis. We call this one roots or zeros. And of course, we have the vertex here. Okay. For our case here, knowing where the roots are, it's all that matters. The reason that we see this one as a quadratic is if you open it up, you have k squared plus 9k minus k and the minus 9 here. So you have a k squared plus 8k minus 9. If you were to graph this one, you have a quadratic. And where does it cross x-axis? At 2 points, because when you factor this one, now let's put it back where it was before, minus 1k plus 9. So when this part equal to 0, that's k equal to 1. When this part equal to 0, that's k equal to minus 9. Okay, and then since the k squared term is positive, it's facing up. So halfway in between is where my vertex is going to be. Okay, now having gotten this curve, you almost can graphically see what's happening to that inequality. This is not k. This is actually y. Okay, now once we get over here, actually, we'll go there. Math break. Walmart. Do they like to make walls there? Paris Hilton. No comment. Okay, back to math. All right. Once we have where the zeros are 1 and minus 9, we want to find out where does it stay less than 0. That's this chunk. The value of this inequality, y, has to be less than 0. Now, if you imagine the curve is made up with a whole bunch of dots, points. Okay. Every point has an x value associated with it, or actually in our case it's k value. We want the value of the y to be less than 0. The only x that fits in is in between minus 9 and 1. So therefore k is less or equal to 1, bigger or equal to minus 9. And that's the solution to our inequality. All right? This is how we handle solving inequality. Once again from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan, making learning math fun, at least trying to. If the video has been helpful, I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.